Iraq and its leaders must be held liable for these crimes of abuse and destruction.
February the 23rd, 1991. The coalition ground forces start rolling in Kuwait. The Allied offensive gets fast and deep into Kuwait without encountering significant resistance. The Iraqi military Leviathan is nowhere in sight. And the troops still present in Kuwait are simply no match for the modern coalition forces.
Yo, get some guys to push down left. Pushing that.
Oh, Saddam Hussein has the flag!
Yeah, they're coming up. They're running up. Okay.
Hey, good lord.
Go.
Move! Get up! Use the tower as cover!
So they stop, fire, and that's when they pop up to see if anything.
Chico, bunker!
Just gotta make sure this shit doesn't fall.
Oh, is that it? Alright. I don't know. I'm in.
Yeah, I did too.
Alright.
Right side!
America.
Everybody with heavy guns, get up on the front. Everybody that has M4s, get back there.
Could be worse. I could be with the beehive. Probably don't even record this. That's not good. I find it funny how nonchalant you guys are.
Where are they?
Nice try. Damn.
I told you. Guys, come the fuck
Atta
up
gas.
and send the chapel.